Conrad just canceled his plans for coming today. Alexa said that's 14 miles per hour and it's going to get up to 25 miles per hour. Look at that sky. It's bad. That center thing was going really fast a minute ago. I want to see him. I don't want him traveling in this. He's got a 4-hour drive. So I don't know that it's going to be better tomorrow. I'm just making a record of this so I can show him how bad it was down here. He said a tree fell right beside his apartment last night and woke him up, scared the dog to death. It's not constant wind, but when it blows, I'm getting ready to get out of it again. It's hard. I almost fell down this morning just going to the dumpster with a bag of trash. So, look at that. No, he doesn't need to be making a 4-hour trip. Things moving all the way around. No, he needs to stay where he's at. We'll do it whenever we can get together and do it. There's that center. That stopped. Sure is nothing. Alright, it's December 23rd, 2022. I live at Castle Glen Apartments in Newport, North Carolina.